Greetings, everyone. Right on. Hey, thanks for everybody for dropping by. Keeping the show going here. This is going to be video number 5 in the series. In this particular video, there's going to be 3 segments put together to make the one, of course. And one of them is the progress of the motorcycle itself. One of them is me picking up some parts or have some parts back from powder coat, and the other one is truing the front wheel. I did not film the lacing of the front wheel or the rear wheel. It was my first attempt to do the lacing, so I didn't think it would work out very good on film. I wanted to show some of the truing of it, but I did not get a chance to do the whole thing. I do have another wheel that once I get ready to do that one, I will probably film that lacing on that one. It's pretty cool. Now that I know what I'm doing, I can probably put that on film a little better. So please enjoy and like and subscribe. And as usual, appreciate you. All right, daily dump and progress for today. Installed new bearings in the steering head, installed the triple trees, and test fit new handlebars and risers. Not a lot of progress on the engine today because I had to do some errands this morning. We sent a bunch of parts over to powder coat, so progress, yes, but not a lot. Okay. This is the lower half of the rocker boxes. I polished them today. Spent several hours doing that. These are the rockers that go in the head for push rod to valve. That's the tire over there for the rear. The rear wheel, the rear hub, strut mounts, horn assembly, all kinds of stuff went over to powder coat today. So I spent most of the morning doing that. Did a little cleanup work this afternoon on some parts, and I painted a few things, and we are moving along and getting into the reassembly mode. Life is good. I did some parts ordering today. I've got new clutch cable coming, throttle cables. I'm gonna have to get some switches. I made a contact today to get some switches. I've got a bunch of gaskets. Let's see. I've got a gasket kit. I've got gaskets for the parts I've taken apart. I've got new hardware to replace the old rusty stuff. Exhaust, gaskets. Those are the bearings for the swing arm, a new air filter. So I'm prepared to get ready to go back together to here. So this is the gaskets for the rocker boxes. And so, yeah, man, life is good. And we're getting ready to turn this around. Hopefully it'll go a little faster once everything is in and I just concentrate on assembly. I know it don't look like much right now, or it doesn't even look like much has changed, but it is changing. It's just slow, but it's fun. So thank y'all and see you soon. So I've been truing the wheel up. I'm getting really close with it. I had a few snags with the bearings, putting the bearings in, so I had to get some help with that. But other than that, I'm getting a lot closer. I'm not quite there yet. One of the other problems I had was the truing stand that I made. didn't quite work with the magnet tool. So for the testing if it's out of round or whatever. So I had to buy a Harbor Freight thing. It's working out pretty good. It's not perfect, but it does a trick. So I've got some other things going on. I painted the lowers for the shocks, the front shocks, forks. So I painted those. They're not quite ready yet. Got a little bit more work to do. I'm waiting on some powder coat parts to come back. I did this one the other day. So I'm just you know, kind of clean things up a little bit, make it pretty, and then I'll be going back together with it, you know, pretty quick here. Once I get the wheel done, the front end will go back together pretty quick. So I'm looking forward to that. Thank y'all. All right, we just got back from town, and we've finally got our powder coat back. Rocker box covers, horn, brake, shifter, this is another horn bracket, and fender struts. So we can start going back together here. I can't do anything today because my eyes have been dilated. I'm a little fuzzy. So first thing in the morning, I'm going to start on the rocker box covers, and I'm going to start putting the front end back together. The front wheel is at the shop getting the bearings redone because I did them wrong. And when I get that back, the front wheel can go on, but I can start putting the forks together. And so that's where we're at, and I'll get back with you with the progress along the way.